This is not an amateur radio video whatsoever, so if you are not interested in suitcases at all, just turn off the video. I travel, I'd say 5 times a year, air travel wise, and this is my suitcase. It's tearing in spots. One of the wheels is going bad. Actually, a couple of them are. And my little pull-out handle it sticks, it's broken, and I have to I can't even get it out right now, re-screw it in some places, whatever. Anyway, 5 to 6 times a year, I will travel across the country. California to the East Coast. 3 times a year at least, I'll go to a ham fest, Orlando, Huntsville, and Dayton. So I decided I'm going to buy a new suitcase. After some research online, I went with Monos suitcase. And you may kind of already see the issue. This arrived damaged. Straight up just damaged. Great suitcase. If you want to look up why, go look up the reviews. I'm not even going to try and... Again, I'm not a suitcase channel whatsoever, but I paid $255 for this thing. So yes, it's an expensive suitcase. It showed up with this damage on it. I emailed them. I just went to the website. There was an email right on the main site. I emailed them, said shipping damage. I sent a picture of the box, which looked like somebody had kicked it in or hit it with like a forklift or something. And I showed them the suitcase. They replied back, asked for 5 images, and within 2 to 3 days, I had the replacement that arrived today. And this is it. So, no questions asked. They said, we're sending you a replacement and you can keep the old one. So there you go. I didn't even give one of these away. Would you like my beat up Monos suitcase? There's nothing really wrong with it. It's just cosmetic. And to be honest with you, I emailed them just because why not? And they said, yeah, no, we'll replace it. No questions asked. And if you want to give it away, do whatever you want with it. It's yours to keep. I don't think they know who I am. Why would they? I'm an amateur radio, YouTuber. But the fact that they did that, no questions asked, here you go, replacement. Very, very nice. I will post a link in the description. I am not affiliated with these people. I have nothing to do with them. I haven't even traveled with this thing yet. I'm just telling you because I was so taken aback by it that I was like, dang, okay. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just give it away. Maybe I'll bring both of the suitcases to Huntsville and we'll just throw a radio in it and do a random giveaway or something like that. Maybe? Is that crazy? That may be a little crazy because I'll have to check a bag. And you know I hate checking bags. Anyway, I'm Josh, KI6NAZ. Thanks for watching this non-ham radio video. Bye-bye.